In this video, we're covering the habits you do every day that are leading to a neck hump and the exact steps you can take to fix it. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos on maintaining a healthy body. Poor posture while sitting is one of the most significant contributors to the development of a neck hump. When you slouch or hunch over, particularly for extended periods, you force your neck and upper back into an unnatural position. This disrupts the natural alignment of your spine and causes the muscles in your neck and upper back to strain. Over time, this misalignment causes the spine at the base of your neck to curve outward, forming what is commonly referred to as a neck hump or dowager's hump. Sitting with poor posture affects more than just your appearance. It also places unnecessary pressure on the vertebrae and discs in your cervical spine, which can lead to discomfort, pain, and even chronic neck and back issues. Many people develop this habit without realizing how it impacts their body. For instance, leaning forward while working on a computer or sitting in a chair that doesn't properly support your spine forces you into a slumped posture. This repeated strain can cause the muscles around your spine to weaken, allowing the neck hump to develop or worsen. Reversing the effects of poor posture while sitting involves making key adjustments to how you position your body throughout the day. First, you must train yourself to sit upright. Your shoulders should be pulled back, and your head should align with your spine, not leaning forward or down. This positioning will prevent unnecessary strain on your neck and upper back. If your shoulders are rounded or slumped, it will increase the risk of developing a neck hump. Also, using an ergonomic chair is essential. Your chair must support the natural curve of your spine. The backrest should provide support to your lower back and keep your spine aligned. Adjust the height of your chair so your feet are flat on the floor and your knees are at a 90-degree angle. This ensures that your entire body is in a comfortable and neutral position, reducing the strain on your neck and upper back. Text neck, also known as forward head posture, is a prevalent issue caused by constantly looking down at your smartphone or other devices. This habit leads to a significant strain on the muscles and ligaments in your neck and upper back. When you tilt your head forward, the weight on your cervical spine increases dramatically. A human head typically weighs around 10 to 12 pounds, but as you tilt your head forward, the effective weight your neck supports can increase up to 60 pounds depending on the angle. This immense strain contributes to a forward head posture, which can eventually lead to a neck hump. Text neck is a common issue in today's digital age, where people spend hours hunched over smartphones, tablets, and laptops. The more frequently you engage in this position, the more likely you are to experience a host of physical symptoms, such as headaches, shoulder tension, and chronic neck pain. Over time, the forward tilt of your head and the pressure on your cervical spine can also alter the natural curvature of your neck, resulting in the development of a hump at the base of the neck. Reversing text neck requires a conscious effort to break the habit of constantly looking down at your phone. The first step is to adjust how you use your devices. Instead of looking down, hold your phone or tablet at eye level. This keeps your head in a neutral position, reducing strain on the muscles in your neck and upper back. It's crucial to maintain this posture, not only while using your phone, but also while reading or engaging with any handheld devices. You should also implement frequent breaks during long periods of device usage. For every 20 minutes spent on your phone or computer, take a brief pause to stretch and readjust your posture. Simple neck stretches, such as tilting your head from side to side or gently pulling your head back into alignment with your spine, help to counteract the forward-leaning posture. Additionally, strengthening the muscles in your neck and upper back is key to reversing the effects of text neck. Exercises like chin tucks, where you pull your chin back to align your head with your spine, and shoulder blade squeezes, which strengthen the upper back muscles, are particularly effective. These exercises restore balance in the muscles supporting your neck making it easier to maintain proper posture throughout the day. Sleeping with improper pillow support is another significant factor that contributes to the development of a neck hump. Your sleeping posture plays a crucial role in maintaining the natural alignment of your spine. When your head and neck are not adequately supported, they rest at awkward angles that strain the muscles and ligaments in your neck and upper back. Over time, this leads to poor posture habits that can contribute to a neck hump. The issue arises when your pillow is either too high, too low, or too firm. When a pillow is too high, it pushes your head forward, flexing your neck and misaligning your spine. This position causes tension in your cervical spine, the upper part of your back, and the shoulders. Similarly, a pillow that is too flat or soft allows your head to fall backward, overstretching the muscles in your neck. This improper alignment, if maintained for hours while you sleep, can reinforce the forward head posture that leads to a neck hump. To reverse this, choosing the right pillow is essential. Ideally, your pillow should support the natural curve of your neck and allow your head to align with your spine. If you sleep on your back, a pillow that keeps your head in a neutral position, neither too high nor too low, works best. A cervical pillow, designed with a slight curve to support the neck, can be particularly effective for people who experience neck pain or are concerned about developing a neck hump. These pillows cradle your neck and ensure your spine remains properly aligned. For side sleepers, the height of the pillow is crucial. It should be high enough to fill the gap between your head and the mattress, ensuring that your neck stays straight in line with your spine. A pillow that's too low causes your head to tilt downward, which compresses one side of the neck and overstretches the other, exacerbating poor neck posture. Another key element to proper sleep posture is avoiding sleeping on your stomach. This position forces your head to twist to one side for extended periods, placing uneven strain on the muscles and joints of the neck. Stomach sleeping can accelerate the development of a forward head posture and ultimately contribute to a neck hump. Transitioning to back or side sleeping with proper pillow support is essential for correcting poor sleep posture. Carrying heavy bags on one shoulder is another habit that contributes to the development of a neck hump. When you carry a heavy bag on one side of your body, your muscles compensate to balance the uneven weight distribution. This causes an imbalance in the alignment of your spine, especially in your upper back and shoulders. Over time, the constant strain placed on the muscles and ligaments in your neck and upper back can lead to postural changes, including a forward head posture and the development of a neck hump. This habit is particularly harmful when the bag is consistently carried on the same shoulder. The body instinctively adjusts to keep you upright by elevating the shoulder, carrying the load, and tilting the opposite side of your body. These compensations result in muscular imbalances. The muscles on one side of your neck and upper back become overstretched, while the muscles on the other side become tight and shortened. This imbalance creates long-term issues, including tension, pain, and poor posture that can contribute to the formation of a hump at the base of your neck. A key step in reversing this issue is to switch from a one-shoulder bag to a backpack. Backpacks distribute the weight evenly across both shoulders, reducing the strain on any one side of your body. This helps prevent the postural imbalances that arise from carrying heavy loads unevenly. It's important to ensure that the backpack is worn properly, with both shoulder straps securely in place and adjusted so that the bag sits snugly against your back. If using a backpack isn't practical, make a conscious effort to alternate the shoulder on which you carry your bag throughout the day. This can help balance the load between both sides of your body and reduce the cumulative strain on your muscles and spine. Carrying lighter loads also helps minimize the stress placed on your body. If possible, avoid overloading your bag and only carry essential items. We hope these tips help you improve your posture and reverse that neck hump. If you want to keep learning, click the video on the screen now